In the mortgage and credit union industries, partnering with the right vendors is crucial. The question is, how do you find them? You could scroll through the vendors who've reached out to you previously, give Google a shot, or get a referral from a friend. But there has to be a better way to find someone who will meet your specific needs. Enter VendorSurf. We make finding your next vendor partner quick and easy. Simply go online and choose from more than 80 different vendor categories with more than 3,000 unique search filters. So if you're looking for, say, a title, settlement, and closing services provider that supports mobile notary closings and is minority-owned in Suffolk County, well, we've got you covered. Find the industry's most comprehensive list of events, webinars, and educational training all in one place. If it's happening in the mortgage or credit union space, you'll find it here. Stop wasting time on searches and meetings with the wrong people, and let VendorSurf connect you with the right ones. VendorSurf, revolutionizing the sourcing of vendor partners.